Hey everybody, and welcome to
Wizard and Able Top 10.
I would like to do a number of technology-related things. I'd like to make educational videos to help people understand technology better. Technology is not a very scary thing when you approach it the right way. I want to deep dive into the science behind digital computing. Like, why do we use binary? What is Boolean algebra and how does it pertain to digital computing? And how does a CPU perform mathematical operations? How does it know what its instruction set is? I mean, it really makes you wonder. I want to give you guys a glimpse into the world of IT. I've had a number of help desk jobs, and I'd love to share some of my stories with you guys. I'd also like to tell you guys some of the strangest questions I've been asked. I want to cover news in the tech industry. There's a lot of really great conventions that happen every year, and I'd like to talk about some of the stuff that comes out of them. I want to review current generation products and even some retro tech, look back on where we were and how we got to where we are now. I'd like to make tutorials that show people step by step how to build or diagnose issues with their own computer. I'd like to learn more about technology, and I thought what better way to do that than to take you guys on the journey with me. So if you'd like to follow me down the rabbit hole into the wonderland of digital computing, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.